Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. So this is the last week before the spring break. So in this video, I'm gonna introduce some basic information for the week 8 and also answer some questions you may have for this course. So this is a week 8 page. So in this week, we have 6 assignments in total. The first one is to watch this introduction video. The second one is to read the basic introduction for this week's topic. And the third assignment is a video, and the fourth assignment is 2 articles. So please watch this video and read these 2 articles very carefully. After that, you need to use Flipgrid to share your reflection to these 2 contents. So next week is spring break, so this is the only assignment you need to do in this week. And in the spring break, you can continue working on the child and teen interview assignment. So if you have any questions, please read this overview very carefully. There are a lot of details and there are also rubric and examples in this overview. So please read it very carefully. If you still have some questions, please send an email to me. I will respond it as soon as possible. So please, one thing you need to remember that the deadline for this assignment is April 2nd. So please submit your assignment before this day. So I will share the submission link in the week 9 page. So some of you send an email to me about for the grades of this course. So I will send an email. I will send you all of your grades, and in the spring break, you will receive an email from me about the grades. So please check it carefully. If you have any questions for the grades, you can send an email. You can reply the email to me after the spring break. I will respond it as soon as possible. So that's all for this week, and the next week is spring break. I hope you will enjoy your spring break and have a great week. And I hope you will have a great time and see you in the week after spring break. Thank you so much.